Okay, I'm gonna make this short and sweet because I needed help with this for a while. Finally figured it out. There's no videos on YouTube about it, so might as well tell someone and hopefully it'll work for them. So your smok Novo 2, every time you plug it in, it just goes straight to green. It's not hitting. Maybe it'll like flash like 4 times white, or it's nothing but white when you put in your pod or whatever, and it just doesn't hit at all. Nothing lights up. What I did, I cleaned the whole thing inside. I, cleaned this off, all like everything that they say. I did whatever the hell. And what I did to fix this little problem is I popped this out. I'm not sure if that even matters really, but that's what I did. I popped out the front, and then I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm gonna try to. Okay, so look at that thing, and you see the two like prongs or whatever, but you see that little like hole right there, like right there on the far right. Put air duster. Put an air duster can with one of these like tips on it. It'll like fit that hole perfectly, and just spray the shit out of it. Just keep spraying it. Clear that sucker out, and then it'll just start hitting. Mine wasn't. I was about to go buy a new one, and then